Well, we're back here in my studio in Nashville, and today we're going to install all the panels. So it's very exciting, and I can't wait to see what it looks like, but most importantly, to hear what it sounds like. So we're getting there. My goal was to create a space that feels inviting and professional, where you'd be comfortable sharing some of your life in, right? So if you're doing a writing session, it's about really getting to some truth. Immediately when you walk into the room, you feel like you walked into a studio, which is, it's a very specific feeling that like any musician that has worked in a studio knows. The process has been first measuring the space, really understanding what we're working with, right? And then the design process, once I got the first design, like really going through it together and understanding what's really important, what's less important. Having a person that knows this on a scientific level really makes a big difference. And every question that I had, I just got an answer that was based on facts and not some opinions. In the world of like YouTube, where you can just go and listen to 100 different opinions about the same thing, it really matters when you have a professional that can tell you, hey, actually, this is what's going on, this is the way to solve it, and let's just do 1, 2, and 3, and then you get it solved.